Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Cloudflare rate limiting for WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Cloudflare rate limiting for your WordPress site, first, log into your Cloudflare account. Select the website you want to modify. In the dashboard, navigate to the Firewall section. Look for the Tools tab within the Firewall settings. Click on the Rate Limiting option. Here, you will see an option to create a new rate limiting rule. Click on the Create a Rate Limiting Rule button. In the rule creation screen, you'll need to specify which URL pattern you want to apply the rate limit to. For WordPress, this is often the login URL or specific endpoints like wp-admin. Enter the URL pattern in the provided field. Next, set the threshold for requests. Decide how many requests per specified timeframe you want to allow. For example, you might set it to 5 requests in a minute. Now, configure the duration for which to block visitors after they exceed the limit. This could range from a few minutes to several hours, depending on your needs. In the action, select whether to block or challenge the visitors who exceed the limit. You may choose to serve a challenge page, which will ask users to complete a CAPTCHA. After this, give your rule a descriptive name for easy identification. Now, review all the settings to ensure they match your requirements. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to activate the rate limiting rule. You should now see your new rule listed in the rate limiting section. Keep an eye on the analytics provided by Cloudflare to assess the effectiveness of your rule. Adjust the settings as necessary based on the traffic patterns you observe. This will help protect your WordPress site from malicious activity while ensuring legitimate users are not hindered. With everything set up, your Cloudflare rate limiting is now ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.